Katie Lorenzen.
And I'm Noah.
And this is WHK News.
February is American Heart Month. Schedule a blood donation in honor of someone you know and other cardiac patients in need. Please encourage your students to donate.
Senior teachers, please encourage students to sign up to take the ASVAB. This will be the last one this year.
And now your ACT test questions update. We have a three-way tie with 3 students who have answered all questions correctly. Tiebreakers will be done later this week to determine the final winners for Monday and Tuesday, so stay tuned. You can find the next ACT questions in the description below.
Girls track will start Monday, February 16th at 4 p.m. You must have a physical in order to participate in track. See Ms. McLaughlin, Ms. Hudson, and Mr. Santiago for more information. The senior breakfast will be held tomorrow, February 13th at 8:30 a.m. in the McDonald cafeteria.
There will be a Sweetheart Social today, February 12th, in the Student Union from 4 to 5:30 p.m. Join us to celebrate Valentine's Day. It will be held in the media center.
Any girl interested in trying out for soccer this year must stop by C102 to speak with Coach Uriola or Gibson Gym to speak with Coach McDavid for important information. This needs to be done by Friday, February 13th.
Softball tryouts start on February 16th from 4 to 6. All girls need a physical.
Congratulations to Jenna Dennison and Megan Monroe. They qualified for nationals in the short film category. If you see them or any other students who went to the trip, congratulate them on a job well done.
For the FBLA week celebration, tomorrow is Spirit Day. Wear your club t-shirt or your buck
Well,
brush.
that's it for today's news. Thanks, Noah, for filling in.
Anything from a Yeti.
Have a great day.